Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just with a really curly problem we've got in the workshop with this X5 today. So this diesel X5 BMW at E70 BMW X5 has presented itself with some quirky problems, a bunch of fault codes, etc. And most of them relating around gas recirculation area and one LIN bus type of fault. But again, we've got a gas recirculation controller position, long-term drift absent. We've got a rate control deviation absent. Again, actuator position control absent. So lots of fault codes, and we'll list them up on there. Interesting enough, when this one came in, we did go to our repair solutions on our website, and Brendan's put one up identical with the same sort of symptoms. And he goes in through how a really detailed way of testing it through the EGR valve. This car would run fine for the first 60 seconds, 90 seconds, until it started to open the EGR valve. Once it started to open the EGR valve is when it started to misfire and cause all sorts of dramas. And that's because our EGR valve system is badly blocked up with carbon soot, etc. So again, that's a very, very important thing to remember. In this particular case, I was able to clean the EGR valve, etc. I think we're going to have the same issues with this particular vehicle to be able to get that sorted out. We also had another problem with the glow plugs. The glow plug circuit, or the glow plug module, again, common issue. They fail, especially if you're in the warmer areas of the country. It may not even need them to start the vehicle, but if there's a problem there, that's again going to cause some issues with the cars, particularly when it's cold. So again, just keep that in mind with these diesels, particularly as they're getting older. Again, Brendan's done a great repair solution on this particular case. So again, if you remember, don't forget to go and consult the website, see if there's a repair solution on there that'll help you with your problem car in the workshop when it's in there. And again, it's all about sharing that information, knowledge and experience. So hopefully that helps you out. We'll see you next time.